Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super practical and time-saving Google Sheets tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to round numbers in your spreadsheet to the nearest 10, which is perfect for making reports easier to read, simplifying busy data, or just giving your sheets a nice, clean look. No matter your skill level with Google Sheets, you're about to get a new trick up your sleeve, so let's jump right in. To start, picture a simple sheet. Maybe you've got a list of fruit sales, just like you might see at a farmer's market. Let's say the item column lists fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, mangoes, and grapes. Next to that, you've got the value column showing the exact sales numbers. Maybe apples sold 93, bananas 107, oranges 122, mangoes 48, and grapes 151. And the last column is where we want our nice, rounded figures, the rounded to nearest 10 column. Now here, where the magic happens. Google Sheets has a helpful formula called round, and with a tiny tweak we can use it to round any number up or down to the nearest 10. The formula you'll use is equals round value minus 1. Let's break that down. When you set the second part, the minus 1, you're telling Google Sheets, hey, round this value to the nearest 10, not just to the nearest whole number. This negative 1 is the secret ingredient that shifts the rounding from the 1's place over to the 10's place. So for example, if you want to round the sales number for apples, which is 93, you'd click into the cell beside apples, type equals round B2 minus 1, assuming B2 holds the number 93. Hit enter and you'll see it rounds to 90 instantly. The formula checks what's closest. Is 93 nearer to 90 or 100? Since 93 is closer to 90, that's what you get. Go down the list and repeat that. You can speed things up by simply clicking on the tiny blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell you just filled, then dragging it down so it covers each row in your list. Google Sheets will automatically update the formula for each row, matching up with each fruit sales value. Pause for a second here. If you've never used the drag method before, don't worry, just aim for that little square and pull straight down. It's a huge time saver. Now, why is this useful? Well, imagine you're sharing this data with someone who just needs a quick overview. Rounded numbers help you spot trends right away. Maybe you notice at a glance that nearly 150 grapes were sold, with no need to sweat the exact number. It also makes financial reports look friendlier and less cluttered. Quick side note, you can adjust this formula to round to different places. If you change the minus 1 to minus 2 like equals round value minus 2, it would round to the nearest 100. And if you use 0 equals round value 0, Google Sheets will just round to the nearest whole number. This flexibility is really handy for whatever kind of data you're working with. So to recap, use equals round value minus 1 for the nearest 10, drag it down for all your data, and watch as your sheet gets instantly cleaner and more readable. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're stuck on any part or have questions about other formulas, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more simple, actionable Google Sheets tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.